Hello guys and welcome back to ThinkTube TV. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the 3-6-3 stack. First you're going to take 3 cups off the top, set it to your right side, then 3 more cups and set it to your left. This should leave you with 3 cups, 6 cups, and 3 cups. If you are left-handed, you're going to start on your right side, and if you're right-handed, like me, you're going to start on your left. First, to start off this cycle, you are going to start on your non-dominant side, which for me is the left side. You are going to make the 3 stack like that. If you don't know how to make this, go check out this video right there on how to make the 3-3-3 cycle. You're going to need it for this video. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the 6 stack. To make this, you are going to put 3 cups in your dominant hand and 2 in your non-dominant hand. It should look like this, where you have pointer finger on top for your dominant hand, middle finger on the next cup, and ring finger on the other. And then for your other hand, you are going to have like that. You're going to start off with your dominant hand and place it to the right of this middle block. And you're going to lift up your ring finger, and that should leave you like this. Then you are going to release the ring finger of your non-dominant hand, and it should look like 3. Now, for your second row, you are going to take your dominant hand and release the middle finger on top, so it should look like a 3 stack in 1. Then you're going to put the other one on your non-dominant hand on, and then finally your one on top. Now, to finish up the up stacking, you are going to make another 3. Now, to de-stack, you are going to de-stack like you did in that video for the 3, and then for the 6, you're going to take your dominant hand on top, and then non-dominant on the left side. Or if you're left-handed, dominant on top, and non-dominant on the right side. You're going to drag down and stack. If you are left-handed, you are going to drag down and stack. Then you're going to stack here on the right triangle, and boom, you finished. Now I'm going to go through this cycle again. You're going to do the 3 stack, the 6 stack, and the 3. Now de-stacking, down, and down. Now I'm going to demonstrate for the left-handed people. You're going to start on your right side, and you stack up, and then 3 in your left hand, 2 in your right, down, and up, and then de-stack, and de-stack. Now I'm going to speed it up a little. You can go up, and up, up, down, down, down. I'm going to do it at full speed. Now we're going to do it one last time together as fast as you can. Up, up, and up, and down, stack, and down stack. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about cup stacking, we will be posting more really soon. Be sure to check out our other cup stacking videos, and if you need help with the 3-6-3 stack, you can always rewind and rewatch the video. If you have any video or cup stacking suggestions, you can always email us at thinktubetv@gmail.com. Bye guys!